Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix poor iPhone signals. Struggling with weak iPhone signals? Don't worry, you can fix it quickly using these simple tips to boost reception and stay connected wherever you are. No matter how advanced your iPhone is, it's a little help if it struggles with basic functions like making calls or accessing the internet. Weak signal can make everything feel sluggish, whether you are browsing Safari or sending a simple iMessage or SMS. While it's common for signal strength to vary based on your location, experiencing consistent issues can be frustrating. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check coverage in your area before blaming your iPhones. Make sure the problem isn't with your carrier. You can visit your carrier official coverage map. Use apps like OpenSignal, CellMapper or Speed Test to check network performance. And also you should toggle airplane mode. Toggling airplane mode on and off is one of the quickest ways to reconnect to your iPhone to the nearest cell tower. This section resets the radio connection and often fixes temporary signal problems. For this, pull down the control center and tap the airplane mode button. Then wait a few seconds and then tap the icon again to turn it off. And the next step is restart your iPhone. If airplane mode doesn't resolve the issue, try restarting your iPhone. A reboot can clear out background process or network conflicts that may be affecting signal strength. For this, you just need to press the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is update iOS and carrier settings. For this, go to settings and then scroll down, choose general option from here, then choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version. Then navigate to settings and choose general, then tap on about. If a carrier update is available, your iPhone will prompt you to install it. Even if everything seems fine, installing the latest iOS and carrier settings can improve network performance. And you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and choose general option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Then choose reset and choose reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings on your iPhone, and you are done. I hope you liked this video, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.